Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to do a foxy eye tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I'm doing my brows and I'm just brushing them up. So for this look, make sure your brows are very straight and highly straight arched. So I'm going to make them more straight. So here you can notice the difference. So now I'm going to do my other brow. So I'm picking this brown shade and I'm going to apply it on my outer V with the help of an angle brush. And I'm going to flick that out. So for creating this look, make sure to focus your shadow mostly on the outer portion to get that shape. And now I'm going to pick a black shade and I'm going to apply it on my outer V with the help of an angle brush. And I'm going to pick this brown shade from this palette and I'm going to place it on my crease to give a little bit of depth to my eyes. And make sure to blend it very well. So I'm going to repeat the same with this eye. So here I'm going to take Sugar's Kajal and I'm going to tightline my upper lash line. And then I'm going to apply a little bit on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now with the help of an angle brush, I'm going to do liner on my inner corner and then I'm going to join it like this. So this will give the foxy effect. So I applied kajal on my upper lash line and then I'm going to smudge it. So I'm going to repeat the same with this eye. If you are applying kajal or liner on your inner corner, make sure you are following the angle of your eyes. Cause doing your liner or kajal in this way will help you to elongate your eyes. And this look doesn't have to be perfect because I'll be smoking it out. So here I have completed my eye look. And for face, so I'm starting with aloe vera gel and then I'm using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 and I'm going to dot it all over my face. And then with the help of my finger, I'm going to pat it on my face. So here I'm going to apply concealer to give my eyes a clean look. So to brighten my under eye area, I'm going to apply concealer and I'm going to dab it. So here I'm taking the Sugar's palette and I'm taking the contour and then I'll put it on the hollows of my cheekbones. Now I'm going to add a little bit on my forehead. And I will also apply it on my jawline. And now I'm going to highlight my face, so I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. So apply highlighter on the highest point of your face, like your cheekbones, your brow bone, your bridge of nose, cupid's bow and chin. Here I'm picking the blush and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheek to add a little bit of blush of color. And to complete this look, I applied Sugar's lipstick in the shade Toast Roast. So here is the final look. So this eye look reminds me of Bella and Gigi Hadid and Hailey Baldwin. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.